tourniquet was applied. Wall Street stopped the bleeding today. After the worst day of the year on Monday, stocks gained some ground today. The Dow closed up 311 points to close at 26,029. NASDAQ also in the green by 107 points to close at 7833. Now, yesterday's major plunge really did cause some anxiety for people.
Indeed, and Channel 2 anchor Craig Lucie spent the day speaking with financial advisors and investors on what's the smart move during this kind of market.
Do you think that we're on the cusp of another recession?
I'm afraid so.
Buy low, sell high?
Absolutely.
The opinions are across the board, but if you read some of the day's headlines, it appears we may be heading to the next great recession or even worse.
It doesn't freak me out because if you look at everything historically.
Experts say that's the spirit. Monday turned out to be the worst trading day of the year. The Dow dropped 767 points. The S&P 500 slid nearly 3%, and the NASDAQ plunged more than 3% too. Andrew Crane is a managing partner and wealth advisor for Capital Insight Group, and he first explained what went down Monday.
Largely a result of trade war disputes that are going on between our country and other countries around the world.
Correct. China devalued their currency and the markets freaked out. President Trump tweeted, "It's called currency manipulation. Are you listening, Federal Reserve?" Well, Tuesday, China's central bank hinted it wanted its currency to trade higher against the U.S. dollar, so markets reacted and went back up. So what's an investor to do with this ongoing trade war?
They see news that causes them to have an emotional reaction, and then they react by making a change in their accounts.
Crane says quit being emotional. It's bad for relationships, too.
Investing, whether it's in stock markets, bond markets, real estate markets, has historically been a game where you win in the long run.
And long-term relationships can pay dividends.
The more you can do as an investor to remove the fear, emotion, and as a result, typically a reaction in the short run, the better off you're going to be long term.
There are a lot of great quotes when it comes to investing, but this one's pretty good. It says, investing is a lot like watching paint dry or even grass grow. If you want some excitement, take your $800 and go to Las Vegas. Reporting in Midtown Atlanta, Craig Lucie, Channel 2 Action News.
You'll remember this video here from last week. A suspect took off dragging a Dunwoody police officer down I-2.